collide. All's got the heat and taste worldwide. Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O. Let's go!
So, what you're cooking today?
Oh yes, we're gonna cook. In Thai we call it Khao Kluk Kapi.
Khao Kluk Kapi.
Yeah, like I don't know. I forget about rice. Khao is mean rice and mixed together with shrimp paste. Kapi is mean shrimp paste.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
This is the stinky paste what you gave me before, right?
It's stink, but it's good.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah.
And so I call already, but they have to do the hardest. This one we use apple instead of the mango. Actually, normally in Thailand
It's
we
green
use
mango.
Yeah, green mango. Yeah, can you slide? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, how can we call in English? Stew? No, but I mean in Thailand we have to fry it in the oil because the Thai kitchen, the original Thai kitchen, we don't have the oven.
Okay.
In the early day, so the people just refine it in the oil. We are going to do kapi, shrimp head with rice. We gonna like a little bit stir fry. Yeah, stir fry a little bit. So it's.
So how you call this
aroma is
paste in Thai language?
Kapi.
Kapi. And translated is?
Shrimp head.
Shrimp paste.
And today we have two different types of rice. One is already cold because it's come out from the fish. And this one we just cooked this morning is still warm, this one.
แต่ถ้าเบียร์ต้องการนี่หนูก็ต้องใส่กะปิเพิ่ม Can I eat more oil?
Yeah, of course.
กลมๆ
เอาถ้วยใช่ไหม
อย่า
ถ้วยกลมใช่ไหม
Yes
เอาถ้วยให้ เอาถ้วยกลมให้
โอเคบี
หรือจะเอาถ้วยหมีน้อย
Okay I put in the little bowl to make like a mold like that Okay then put some ถั่วทำ bean green bean right beer
Yeah, green bean.
But they are not cooked, what?
No, we
No.
eat raw.
yeah in raw yeah
I'm just asking.
We eat raw.
And raw.
and raw and shallot
Apple coming soon.
yeah
Apple coming
can
soon.
you take it out of water
Yep. Already did.
where is ไข่
Where is the kai kai?
yeah where is the ไข่
I already forgot the kai kai. The kai kai is here.
Kai Kai means eggs.
Kai is
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Exactly.
Kai.
Are you already good?
Kai Kai.
Kai.
Kai
you
Kai.
cut very nice beer
Thank you.
yeah very nice cutting very nice cutting you can put whatever you want more if you don't like this put a little bit okay apple green apple or mango
It's the very famous Styrian apple mango.
Styrischer Apfel.
if you need more sour you can เบียร์สามารถคัดไอ้นี่ก็ได้นะคะ
The
lime
lime.
yeah
Yeah.
and dry shrimp
Ah, this is the show plate.
It's the chocolate. When in Thailand, when you order this, they always serve you like this. They did not mix for you. It's always come like this, and then when you eat, you start mixing them together.
So very nice result.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Time to start. เอาว่าเบียร์ไปสอนวิธีกิน
Mix, just mix it together.
So thank you all for the nice dish, nice lunch. So now you have to teach us how we have to eat it, right?
Okay, Bia,
Or is Siriporn is responsible for that?
Because it's her favorite dish.
Take
Okay.
spoon and take the fork because in Thailand we eat rice with spoon, not fork. Okay, yeah. So then you just
เราถ่ายรูป
mix
ก่อนได้ไหม
everything together,
Okay.
and then you can enjoy your dish. Very easy.
In the kitchen where flavors collide, O's got the heat and a taste worldwide. Chili and lime in a sizzling show. Thai cooking magic with O. Let's go!